And I found the answer to Milwaukee batteries. You ready? Watch this. Boom! No more suits, no more guessing. It's all power all day right here. This is how you run tools like a champ.
Meet the Milwaukee M12 high heels. 8 inches of lift for pros who need a boost and refuse to slow down. Powered by the same battery system you trust. These heels run all day and keep you steady on the job. Soft. Meet the new Milwaukee Power Croc, driven by M12. When the mercury drops, built-in heaters fire up. When it climbs, cooling vents kick on. One battery, all-day comfort, whether you're on a frozen site or a blazing site.
The Milwaukee-powered snowshoes. 40 miles an hour across the neighborhood, no truck required. 2 hours of runtime. All terrain, all adrenaline. Winter just got fast.
Milwaukee M18 heated portable pool. Pop in a battery, set your temperature, and 5 minutes later, you're soaking in 102 degrees of pure winter bliss. Snow? No problem. This pool goes wherever the...
When the job site or the trail turns bitter cold, keep the heat in your hands. The Milwaukee M12 heated coffee mug locks onto the same battery that runs your tools, holds temp for up to 2 hours, and goes...
Cold days don't have to mean flat frozen hair. Milwaukee's new M12 heated hair extensions give you instant warmth and salon, smooth length anywhere. 3 heat modes powered by the same M12 battery you trust.
Milwaukee M12 heated bra. Powered by the same battery that runs your tools, it delivers 3 adjustable heat levels and puts warmth exactly where you need it. Stay comfortable for up to 6 hours on a single...
Cold? Fire up the Milwaukee M12 heated wallet. Powered by the same battery that runs your tools, it keeps cash and cards toasty, stores dry, and charges your phone while it warms your hands. Rugged leather, water...
Meet the Milwaukee M12 heated purse. Powered by the same batteries you run your tools on, it keeps essentials and your hands toasty with 3 adjustable heat settings. With warm, organized storage and all...
Forget the lift. Forget the ladder. The new Milwaukee M18 helicopter hard hat lets you rise to the job. Powered by the same battery you trust, it keeps your hands free and your head in the...
Meet the Milwaukee M18 snowshoes, powered snowmobiles for your feet. Strap in, squeeze the trigger, and carve through deep powder. Climb hills and cruise across open fields, all on the power of an M18 battery.
The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Telescopic Runner. Extending up to 150 feet, it sends power where ladders can't. Slice through thick limbs 100 feet in the air and prune those towering trees from solid ground. Powered by M18 Red Lithium.
The Milwaukee M18 4-wheel drive baby stroller. When the sidewalk turns to snow and slush, press the button and all 4 wheels lock in. Powered by an M18 battery, it grips, climbs, and cruises wherever winter takes.
Milwaukee heated tool thong. 20 reinforced loops keep every essential within reach, while the flex fit waist moves with you. 3 adjustable heat settings keep your core warm, and built-in suspender loops take the load off when you need it.
Meet the Milwaukee heated tool thong. 30 loops to keep every tool right where you need it, plus suspender mounts for all-day comfort. One touch of the power button and the built-in heating elements warm your core in seconds. Tough, practical.
The Milwaukee M18 vacuum powers through the mess, and when the floor's spotless, it flips into bar mode. Shake, pour, and toast to a job well done. Clean, sip, repeat.
Milwaukee Pop in an M18 battery, twist the dial, and the infrared canopy kicks out instant heat. Up to 0 degrees? No problem. Stay outside, stay warm.
Press start. The M18 robot snowblower goes to work, clearing your driveway with 0 effort from you. And when the last flake's been tossed, it opens up to reveal something unexpected. Fresh hot cocoa.
No mountains? No problem. Power up with the Milwaukee M18 Rocket Snowboard and turn any flat street into your personal downhill run. Ride fast, carve hard. Winter just got enough.
This winter, turn snow removal into a full-body workout. The Milwaukee M18 Bicycle Snowblower. Pedal to power the auger. Battery assist when you need it. Launches snow up to 100 feet while you torch calories.
Meet the Milwaukee M18 bubble suit. Zip in, pressurize, and you're wrapped in inflatable power. Any height, bring it. The moment you hit the ground, Bounce Absorb Tech eats the impact and launches you back to your feet.
That is just a battery doing all that.
Rough day on the job? Drop an M18 pack into Milwaukee's new baby rocker and let the site tantrums fade away. Powered by red lithium, it rocks, it hums, it even changes your mood. The M18 baby rocker.
Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Job Site Pack and Play. Plug it in, punch up the heat, and you've got a portable nap zone for when the crew gets cranky. Temperature controlled, rugged as your toolbox, and just big enough to fit a grown man with a bad attitude.
Meet the M18 Man Bra. Everything you need right on your chest. Impact driver, locked and loaded. Tape measure, right here. Knife, bits, battery, it's all riding shotgun. Grab, build, holster, repeat. It's that.
Feisty mode engaged. Got something to say, Chief?
You're a little intense right now.
Maybe you like it. Let's try calm mode. Breathing easy.
That's better.
Milwaukee M18 Wife.
Don't diaper. When nature calls, just press this button. Turbo Absorb Gel and an M18 powered core handle the rest. Clean, dry, and ready for hours. Swap in a battery for up to 48 hours of run.
That is just a battery doing all that.